QR codes are now everywhere, from product packaging to order tracking and customer profiles. In this video, I'll show you how to generate QR codes in WooCommerce using the WordPress QR code generator plugin. With this plugin, you can create product QR codes, order QR codes, invoice QR codes, email QR codes, and much more, all automatically. First, install the plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, right arrow plugins, add new, and upload WordPress QR code generator zip file. Install and activate it. Once activated, you'll see a new menu called QR Composer Pro. The plugin automatically generates a unique QR code for every WooCommerce product. You can show this QR code on the product page in up to 4 positions, or download it directly from the product edit screen. This is perfect for product packaging, labels, catalogs, or offline marketing. Next, the plugin also generates a unique QR code for each WooCommerce order. You'll see it inside WooCommerce right arrow orders, right arrow view order. Customers can view the QR code in their account as well. This feature is extremely useful for warehouses, deliveries, store pickups, and fast order verification. Your customers will also receive an order QR code inside their order confirmation email. Simply scan the QR code and the order opens instantly, making customer support and delivery faster and more accurate. Your customers also get a vCard QR code inside their My Account page. With one scan, they can save their contact information to their phone. Great for memberships, B2B customers, or personal accounts. If you use PDF invoice plugins, this plugin adds QR codes directly into your invoice, packing slip, and shipping label. This makes your printed documents scannable and much easier to organize. And that's how you generate QR codes in WooCommerce using the WordPress QR code generator plugin. It's fast, powerful, and perfect for modern e-commerce in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And to try the plugin, check the link in the description.